Hi there. So what I wanted to show you today is how the Røde Wireless Go II or the Go receiver can be teamed up with the Rødecaster Pro II. It's a feature that has come in version 1.2.0. We are now at version 1.2.2, at least if you're on the beta. Let's pull this out a little bit. So the one thing I had hoped for was when Røde announced this feature that we would be getting 2 more audio channels, so 4 XLRs plus the 2 wireless. That's unfortunately not the case. The way Røde has implemented this is that you're mapping each wireless Go transmitter in on an existing XLR audio channel, so you don't get to use those XLR channels then. Nevertheless, this is a really neat feature. And one of the things that I also was concerned with was if Bluetooth still is working once you have paired up the Røde Wireless Go receivers. And can you actually map in multiple wireless Go receivers? And I can confirm you can indeed map in multiple wireless Go receivers. So let's get started. So the way this works, zoom in a bit. And pull this a bit further out so you can see the display. Okay, so you press the button and then you go through the microphones here until you find the Røde Wireless logo. Say pair new device. So, okay, you then take the TX, you turn it on. So now my pairing has started, pair new device, and then press the button once more, and then it should be pairing, and it did indeed. So that's it paired. You turn it on and press the button once. Now for some reason this one is now gone off. Power may be low on this. Gone. Anyhow, so that's the first one. I then go over on this one. Same thing. Pair new device, turn this on, press once, and it's paired. And you can see it perfectly takes the audio, no problem. And that's literally it. After that, you have your Røde Wireless Go. And if it disconnects, we can go back to this one. It says TX disconnected. So we go and we turn this back on again. Yeah, I reckon the battery in this is empty for some reason. Well, I'll put this to charge. Put it on charge. And the other thing you can see, this little red dot here means it is also recording on the transmitter. So that's something you can enable or disable via the app. And that's literally, you can't configure them via the Rødecaster Pro II. I hope this was helpful. If so, leave us a like, maybe subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you another day.